Welcome to our journey through the world of robotics and automation. In this video, we'll explore the advancements and applications of these technologies across various industries. From manufacturing floors to healthcare facilities, robotics and automation have revolutionized the way we live and work. We'll see how these innovations are shaping the future, making industries more efficient, precise, and safe. Our purpose is to educate and inform you about the latest trends and technologies in this exciting field. So, sit back and let's dive into the world of robotics and automation. Let's take a step back in time to understand the origins of robotics and automation. From early mechanical automata to 20th century innovators, these technologies have evolved remarkably. In ancient Greece and China, inventors created mechanical figures that performed simple tasks. Fast forward to the Renaissance, and we find Leonardo da Vinci designing complex robotic knights. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point, with automated machinery revolutionizing manufacturing. Charles Babbage's analytical engine laid the groundwork for programmable machines. In the 20th century, figures like George Devol and Joseph Engelberger emerged. Devol invented the first programmable industrial robot, the Unimate, while Engelberger implemented it in assembly lines, transforming industries forever. These pioneers set the stage for rapid advancements and widespread adoption in various sectors. Their legacy continues to inspire current innovations and applications. Stay tuned as we explore the rise of industrial robots and their profound impact on manufacturing. The introduction of industrial robots marked a pivotal moment in manufacturing history. These mechanical titans brought unprecedented precision to production lines, reducing errors and enhancing product quality. Efficiency soared as robots tirelessly executed repetitive tasks with unmatched consistency. The first-generation industrial robots, like Unimate, revolutionized factories worldwide. Not only did they accelerate production rates, but they also significantly improved workplace safety by taking on hazardous tasks. Robots became integral to assembly lines, welding, painting, and packaging, all executed with flawless accuracy. Companies that adopted these technologies saw substantial gains in productivity and profitability. This era not only transformed manufacturing, but also laid the groundwork for future advancements in robotics and automation. As we move forward, the blending of automation with new technologies promises even more groundbreaking innovations. In the 21st century, automation has evolved to integrate with artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, creating smarter and more efficient systems. Modern automation technologies now possess capabilities that were once the domain of human intellect. With advancements in AI, machines are learning, adapting, and making decisions in real time. This synergy opens up endless possibilities across various sectors. One key aspect is the seamless integration with the Internet of Things. Smart devices communicate and collaborate, optimizing processes from manufacturing floors to living rooms. Consider the automotive industry. Self-driving cars showcase how AI and IoT work together, offering safer and more convenient travel. In manufacturing, automation has led to unprecedented levels of precision and productivity, with smart factories where machines self-monitor and even self-repair. Healthcare has seen remarkable applications too. Automated systems assist in everything from patient diagnostics to complex surgeries, showing the versatility of modern automation. In healthcare, robotics has emerged as a transformative force. Surgical robots are now a common sight in operating rooms, performing procedures with unparalleled precision and minimal invasiveness. Equally groundbreaking are the robots that assist in patient care. From delivering meals to monitoring vital signs, these robots alleviate the workload of healthcare professionals, allowing them to focus more on direct patient care. The potential for robotics in healthcare is vast, with possibilities ranging from advanced diagnostics to personalized treatments. As technology continues to advance, the integration of robotics into healthcare promises even greater improvements in patient outcomes and efficiencies in medical practices. As we move forward, you'll see how automation is revolutionizing transportation, reshaping how we move and deliver goods globally. Automation is transforming the transportation sector like never before. Autonomous vehicles, once a concept of sci-fi, are now becoming a reality on our roads. These vehicles, capable of self-navigation, promise to enhance safety while minimizing human error. But the revolution doesn't stop there. Smart traffic management systems are paving the way for optimized traffic flow, reducing congestion, and making our commutes more efficient. These systems use real-time data to adjust traffic signals and prioritize routes, assuring a smoother transit experience for everyone. Additionally, the logistics and supply chain industries are experiencing a profound shift. Automated warehouses, delivery drones, and self-driving trucks are improving operational efficiency, ensuring timely deliveries and cutting costs. With such advancements, the transportation landscape is continuously evolving, bridging the gap between futuristic visions and tangible progress. In agriculture, robotics and automation have ushered in a new era of efficiency and productivity. Automated farming equipment, such as self-driving tractors, allows for more precise field operations, reducing the need for manual labor and minimizing errors. Precision agriculture, powered by advanced sensors and analytics, ensures that every seed and drop of water is optimally placed and used. These technologies enhance crop yields and contribute to sustainable farming practices by reducing waste and conserving resources. The impact on productivity is profound, transforming how farmers manage their fields and produce food. These advancements are setting the stage for a more sustainable and productive future in farming. The role of robotics in agriculture is not just about machinery, it's about revolutionizing how we grow our food, making farming more efficient, precise, and environmentally friendly. Despite incredible progress, the journey in robotics and automation is far from obstacle-free. Let's delve into the core challenges that science and industry are grappling with today. Technical challenges abound, from the complexity of programming and maintaining sophisticated systems to ensuring seamless integration with existing technologies. Beyond the technical hurdles, ethical considerations come into sharp focus. How do we ensure that robots and automation serve humanity without compromising our moral standards? And then there's the economic impact. While automation promises increased efficiency, it also raises concerns about job displacement and wider implications for the workforce. Balancing innovation with responsibility and equity is a multifaceted challenge. These very challenges drive further advancements, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Recent years have seen remarkable innovations and breakthroughs in robotics and automation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We've witnessed the rise of autonomous machines capable of learning and adapting in real time. For instance, robots that can navigate complex environments, performing tasks with unprecedented precision. In healthcare, robotics is redefining surgery with minimally invasive techniques that reduce recovery times and enhance precision. In factories, collaborative robots, or cobots, work side by side with humans, revolutionizing traditional workflows and enhancing productivity. Case studies from leading industries demonstrate how these advancements drive efficiency and innovation across the board. Smart automation systems interlinked with AI and IoT technologies create smarter, more efficient infrastructures. This integration is evident in smart cities, where automated systems manage traffic flow, energy consumption, and public safety, making urban living more sustainable and efficient. Looking ahead, the future of robotics and automation is filled with exciting possibilities. Emerging trends and technologies promise to reshape industries and our daily lives. Predictions hint at an era where robots not only perform routine tasks, but also collaborate with humans in unprecedented ways. Imagine smart cities powered by autonomous systems, healthcare robots providing personalized care, and agriculture transformed by precision farming. The potential impact is vast, from enhancing productivity to addressing global challenges like climate change and healthcare accessibility. As these technologies evolve, they will pave the way for innovative solutions that can redefine our world. This is just the beginning of a transformative journey, where the boundaries of innovation are constantly pushed. The future holds the promise of smarter, more efficient, and connected environments, ultimately improving the quality of life for all. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, robotics is set to transform our understanding and capabilities like never before. From assisting astronauts with complex tasks to autonomously conducting research on distant planets, the role of these advanced machines will be pivotal. Future space missions heavily rely on robotic technology to explore uncharted territories and gather invaluable data. With plans in the pipeline for missions to Mars and beyond, robots will act as our pioneers, traversing hostile environments and performing duties that would be too risky for humans. The advancements in robotics offer promise not just for exploration, but also for constructing and maintaining space habitats, enhancing the feasibility of long-term human presence beyond Earth. These developments stand to significantly accelerate our scientific research, providing deeper insights into our universe. As we look to the future, it's important to consider the ethical and social implications of advancements in robotics and automation. The potential benefits are immense, from enhanced productivity to unprecedented convenience. Yet, this progress brings ethical questions to the forefront. How do we ensure that these technologies are used responsibly? The social impact is equally significant. As robots take on more roles, what happens to the workforce? Are we prepared for the shifts in employment this could cause? These conversations are crucial. Moreover, as automation becomes more integrated into society, its influence on our daily lives will grow. Issues of privacy, security, and even human interaction rise. Navigating these challenges requires thoughtful collaboration between technologists, ethicists, and policymakers. Involving diverse perspectives ensures that the future of robotics and automation is guided by principles that prioritize human dignity and societal well-being. For those drawn to the future of robotics and automation, the path forward is filled with opportunities. Numerous educational programs are designed to equip you with the necessary skills to excel in this dynamic field. From learning about advanced robotic systems to mastering automation technologies, these programs set a solid foundation. Career opportunities abound, with roles ranging from robotic engineers to automation specialists, each contributing to the advancement of industries. Let's take a look at some of the industry leaders and innovators driving the field of robotics and automation forward. These trailblazers are setting new benchmarks, pushing the boundaries of what's possible to transform industries and our daily lives. From cutting-edge companies to visionary individuals, their contributions are instrumental in shaping our future. By embracing innovation and harnessing the power of technology, they are solving today's challenges and paving the way for a smarter, more connected tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of robotics and automation. Your curiosity and engagement are key to advancing this field. As we've seen, the possibilities are immense and ever-growing. Stay informed about the latest trends, embrace innovations, and consider the ethical implications as we move forward. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, industry professional, or student, your role is vital in shaping the future. Keep exploring, learning, and contributing to the evolution of robotics and automation.